clean the hair. And if the patient is confined to the bed for a long time, or you can able to assess how long or when the patient has taken the hair shampooing. After assessing, if there is a need, you can give a hair shampooing or shampooing the hair. Both are same. And see to that the type of hair, whether it is a lengthy hair or whether it is a short hair. Especially for the male, it is a short hair you can give. But for the female, if it is a lengthy hair, you have to see whether whether tangles are there or anything. So before giving hair shampooing, you have to comb the hair so that you can able to remove the tangles and then do the hair shampooing. Otherwise, while hair shampooing, if the tangles are more, it will again, the hairs will start twisting or it will be very difficult. So just comb the hair and start giving hair shampooing. Here the hair is very small only, not a lengthy hair.
Okay. No tangles.
Yes. And the articles needed for hair shampooing are, you need water. Actually you need a bath thermometer to check the water. Otherwise, while checking water, you have to take few drops of water and pour it over here just so that you can able to tolerate. It should not be too hot or it should not be too cold also. It will be like a medium temperature. And if you are using over hot, the hot water, they say it will even, the hair loss will be more if you are using hot water more. Like the bed bath, that temperature if you are using, the hair loss will be more. So it is better to have a cold water for hair bath, but for a patient, you can mix the water and see whether the patient can able to tolerate the temperature. So you need a receptacle to collect water, basin and shampoo. Here you have to find out which shampoo the patient prefer, because you can use the different shampoo. If the patient likes to have a same company shampoo, you can use that one. The preference. Sometimes the patient will be having the shampoo of own, so you can take that shampoo. Okay. Then comb is here. Cotton balls to plug the ears so that water should not enter the ears. Okay. And you need a pair of gloves and here a small basin, because you are not applying directly the shampoo over the hair. So you have to dilute it. So for that, a small basin to mix it. Then mug is here. Here there are two bath towels are needed. One I'll show you. Okay. One under the head and another one you have to drape, because you should not wet the dress. So around the shoulders you have to drape it. And a small towel to close the eyes. But this should be wet towel. If you are using a dry towel, it will slip off. That's why you have to wet the towel with same warm water and cover it. And you need a Macintosh. So before the procedure itself, you have to arrange all the articles. Come to the patient, check, always three check. Introduce yourself, all those things. So introduce yourself and say that you are assess whether the patient has previously, when hair shampooing was taken. Okay, so you assess everything. Now itself you assess for the preference of the shampoo and all. Okay, and whether the patient, and assess the timing of giving hair shampooing. For example, if it is early morning, the patient feel a little bit cold, or if it is late evening also, the patient may feel it is very cold. So maybe mid-morning, like usually the patients will prefer after the rounds, without any disturbance after, because after taking breakfast, after the rounds, maybe around 11, if you are giving
no procedure.
No procedures, yes. And later, maybe after the hair shampooing, the patient wanted to take a short sleep. Okay, so you ask the preference of the patient. So all those things, all the assessment you can do it. Then see to that whether privacy is maintained, and yes, then assess the scalp, or you can find out is there any injury, and see to that is there any specific order, restrictions is there to move the neck or head or anything. Okay, so find out from the doctor's order if any specification is given. Okay, if at all, if some specification is there, we can't give, or we can wait for 1 or 2 days and later we can give head bath, okay? Or any head injury or any scalp injury is there or anything you have to assess. Then you have to inform everything and then come to the area and wash your hands. Okay?
Or hand rub is fine also. If they want to do hand rub. If they want to do hand rub, it's fine also.
Yeah, you want to do hand rub, it is fine. You need to do all the steps. It's okay.
They know how to The patient has a blower, you can also prepare a blower. Dryer,
Yeah.
It's not blower,
Yes.
right?
Dryer
or hair
Dryer.
blower.
Especially for female patients with
Yeah.
long hair,
Yeah.
prefer dryer. So it will dry the hair fast.
And they will not feel cold. Especially in the hospital.
Then one more thing, this is the shampoo
Basin.
basin. Previously we were using Kelly's Spa.
see this now.
This is a shampoo basin, right?
Yeah.
Previously we were using trough, no? Now it is not practiced. With the Macintosh and that will be rolled and paper will be rolled and make it as a trough. Then one more was there, Kelly's pad. When we were there, Kelly's pad we were using. But this is called as a shampoo basin.
Available in the hospital?
No, this was from
No,
we
this
got
is-
from online.
Yeah, in
We
our
ordered it
book,
online.
we use this one. That's why we bought similar one. In Panda book, this one.
Yeah, Funda book this is there. Okay. And see, attachment tubing is there, and this is for collecting the water. Okay. Okay. So this also keep it nearby, and keep all your things nearby. Now get concerned. Hello, Miss Haitham. Okay, water has come. Now I am going to do the hair wash. And before that, you see whether pins or anything is there. Because if it is a long hair, they'll plait the hairs and nicely, no? If it is there, you have to remove everything. Okay? And position, you have to remove the pillow. Okay? Before removing the pillow, I'll just till, huh? Because and this time. Then roll the towel just under the cloth. So it will stay like that. Okay, just roll it nicely so that the top dress will not be wet. Okay. Then remove the pillow. Place Macintosh. Just
Many different
on Inco sheet or Macintosh. Okay.
infographics.
Then
In continent.
you have to spread the long bath towel. Just lift it gently. Yeah, and spread it. Okay. Then keep the shampoo basin. Actually, the opening should be at the nape of the neck, back, no? Rest the head here, so it is rested very well. Actually, in the book, if you are, to support, you have to keep one
Smooth towel.
towel,
You roll like
roll it and keep it. But here, it is rested very well and nice support is here. Already support is here. And take a small towel, okay? Okay, fine. Yes. Before that, you wear your apron. Sorry, this one before arranging the patient, okay?
even gloves.
Even the gloves. Cotton balls.
If we're doing
Here,
this with the bed bath, We are doing it last also.
Yeah.
No,
So different.
we will not be doing it all together. We will have to do it in a different way because, see, this mannequin is very heavy. And no hands.
In reality.
No hands.
Yeah.
So you have to give back.
Usually they do it all together.
In reality, they do it all
All together.
But
First
for
start
that,
with the
we will have to do, see, for example, first day, 2 faculty, if you are doing bath, the other 2 faculty can do hair wash and pending care and finish it off.
Okay.
Otherwise, we don't have enough managers.
The next day we
Even basin, we have only few.
Okay.
The towels, everything is few. So 2 groups, they will arrange.
But
That's what they
with
want
the
to
real patients, we can explain
everything we should do together. Real patient, no part by part. Hair
Real
wash,
patient
bath,
actually in
perineal
hospital.
care, everything together.
plug the cotton balls into the ears so that water will not enter. Then you wet the towel, put your eyes and secure it well. So it will not slip. Okay, secure it well. Okay, fine.
And portion
Now,
into the bucket.
See to that. Yeah, always remember if you're not keeping the and you will be pouring water, the water will flow. So always keep it inside the mixture.
نعمل هذا من الحد؟
Already you have checked the temperature of the water. Okay. Now talk to the. Take little shampoo.
الناس بيعمل باسم ولا مساج؟
Just dilute it.
نعم. أيوة.
Then
Hammer, we are
Then
combing the hair.
comb the hair so that to remove the tangles. Okay. Hatam, I'm combing your hair. Okay. Just talk to the patient. Okay, fine.
No anyone in the hospital do like this.
No.
Even in the salon.
Okay. Take a cup of water. Always see to that pour water from the hairline to the hair end. Okay? From hairline to the hair end. Pour part by part.
Beauty part.
Like yeah. Yeah.
Trying to
See to that all the areas are wet. Okay.
Be sure that it does not go into the
Okay, I'm not pouring more water now. Okay. And if it is a lengthy hair also, you collect all the hair like this and pour water. Then apply on from the hairline to the hair end. Usually, if it is a thick hair, you make it as a 2-part. Apply like this. Okay. And nicely you have to massage so that it will improve the circulation. And if it is a long hair, you bring like this, and put it here. Okay, if it is a lengthy, lengthy hair. Okay.
Better than spa.
Then you apply shampoo to this side from the hairline to the hair end. Okay.
Then from down.
Then again sides. Take care. Then down at the back also. Okay, just lift gently and apply it. Give nice massage like this. Okay. After the
We also will look at the patient's condition also.
lift it like this. Apply nicely.
Ear plug and
Yeah. So nice massage. So this will helps in blood circulation also nicely. Okay. If it is a lengthy hair, like this, then you collect everything and like this. Okay. And nicely on both the hands. Nice. Then Actually, if you're one person, you have to hold like this and pour little water. Yes. I think we need a lot of water to pour because I applied shampoo nicely. Yeah. Yes. It is not coming here. Wait. One more thing you have to.
Here.
Make it to the side.
Now it is coming? Now it is coming? Okay. Yeah. It is coming, right? Yes. Okay.
Oh. لا بس مش الترتيب والله لما تمشي تبدوني كيف
No, it is not inflated properly.
ولا ماي
At the end we can.
طلع يشوي
I'll pour little more water.
جروع المغسلة.
Last time what happened, we had to take it to the sink.
الله يرحم ايام التخصص
Little more this side, no?
كل هذا الدول في زيه لانه
Next week, all procedures you will find the lab to be like this.
Messy only with water.
We should remember to wash all the towels. You see how I tempered, we have to put it all and go. Then only next day we have towels. We should remember all these steps.
Then after pouring the water, you collect all the hair and squeeze. Don't squeeze it like this, it will hurt. So gently you collect and just squeeze only like this. Don't twist it. Okay? Then remove the shampoo basin. It is draining. Okay. Okay. Then you take this bath towel, which is spread underneath, right? This bath towel on both the sides, bring together and nicely you like this. You pack like this. Okay. Then if it is a lengthy hair,
She's smiling now.
then you just if water is there, just with this itself you just wipe it. See to that if water is there in the ears also. Remove the cotton ball, wipe it thoroughly, and you have to little more time. You try to.
We have
dry
dryer
it.
actually.
If dryer is available, switch on the dryer and dry it. Otherwise, just
Because the patient is without pillow and all that, we will only roll it first.
roll it first
Then we will.
and then remove the Macintosh, roll it, discard it. Keep the pillow under the head, position the patient nicely and cover the patient. Let the patient can be this at least for a few minutes. After that, you remove the towel and some patients prefer to, if the patient can able to comb it, some patients prefer to do the combing by themselves. So give the comb and ask to remove the towel.
Almost it's good to encourage the patient.
Patient to do it.
To
Yeah.
do autonomy.
But if they are unconscious,
If they are
Yeah, only
unconscious,
in some cases. Because
Yeah.
some patient they can, but they will refuse. Like it does.
No, if they
want
can,
to
send
be
them to
pampered.
Send them to them.
Don't
At least, yeah, at least they can sit and take a hair shampoo.
Yeah.
They can sit and do.
Anything
The patient is unable to do, you
Careful
have to
to
take the
do.
comb and nicely you have to comb it. And whatever fashion the patient needs, you can.
Next to
Huh?